Let's talk about cleaning your screen enclosure. Did you know that cleaning a screen enclosure requires a specific technique? You can't clean it face to face as it will just go through the screen. Instead, you need to apply the cleaning solution at a sharp 90-degree angle. This allows the bleach, soap, and water mixture to effectively clean the screen. Then, as we rinse it, we can still apply the sharp 90-degree, or we can rinse it at a straight angle. We wash both the inside and outside of the screens, as well as millions of angles within your screen enclosure and frames. We prioritize thoroughness without using high pressure, ensuring that we don't blow out and pop the screens. The proper way to clean a screen enclosure is with soft washing, which will leave it looking beautiful and prevent oxidation. Not only that, but we also remove pine needles and leaves from the top of your screen enclosure. We also offer spiderweb removal, using a specialized duster to keep your screen enclosure free from webs and other debris. Join our Pear maintenance program and we'll clean your screen enclosure, fence, house, and other exteriors 4 times a year. Call us or visit our website at neverpressurewashagain.com.